Aunty Tala.
Hi. It's great to be back.
Oh,
yeah.
we love having you.
I love having me too.
How are you?
Well, I'm good. No, she's talking to me.
I'm really good.
Yeah.
Very good. So, dear Barnes and Barnes.
And Aunty Tala.
And Aunty Tala.
yeah.
Sorry,
Oh, is this all right? I was getting angry.
I'm an Aries.
Yeah.
And my boyfriend is a Scorpio.
Wow.
I'm in love with him, but according to my Zodiac horoscope, we are not compatible.
Oh.
You know what that means?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a laptop, computables.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can you tell me
Yeah.
my horoscope for love?
Oh, wow.
I feel like Aunty Tala is a capital for love.
Oh. Wellington. Oh, no, capital letters.
Just capital.
So she is a Aries?
Yeah.
And he's a Scottish? Or is he
Scorpio.
Welsh? Oh, he's Scorpio. And she thinks he's not going to be able to keep together.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow, you know what I think about her horoscope? I think...
Polyscope.
Yeah, the polys, because they're a bunch of horrors. Anyway, the polyscope, I really believe, doesn't matter if she's Irish or English or whatever. If she's really ugly, there's no chance. Yeah, with anything, whether it's Scorpio or caterpillar, any sort of insects, no way, it's not happening. It's not compatible with human being and a scorpion. Get a funny children. It's like aliens. You know, it's come out your stomach and go, oh, hello, I'm Aries and bad Scorpio. It's bad enough, we got enough overstayers to have more aliens in New Zealand.
Yeah. I think you need to look at the, yeah.
Oh, sure, okay.
Can you predict the future for...
Me, see.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What?
Okay, yeah, it's
Yeah.
right. You know Scorpio? Scorpio is saying, and the human being's talking in a human being. And then when they exchange the vowels, it's like, do you, and the scorpion can't say much and can't understand. He might have to go to ESL classes for second language. So, yeah. No, I don't think it's gonna work. The Irish girl and the scorpion, I think it's gonna be very hard to have children. That's my prediction. Yeah. It's gonna be hard to breastfeed a scorpion.
I think it's time
Wow,
to see
what's
some...
on the screen? Let's see if there's a half Scorpio, half Irish on the screen.
Mr. Lover.
G'day, my name's Joe. I run a company in Wellington called Elevate Plus, and we just like to get people fit, motivated, and getting active, really. Both my parents are Samoan, and I just think it's important to embrace the heritage because it's all about family and helping each other out. It's that whole tradition that we have about eating as a family and as a group. You know, if we all eat a good nutritious meal, it would kind of make the difference to getting active and making everything easier.
Wow.
Getting active doesn't mean you have to come in and do a whole lot of press-ups, chin-ups or anything like that. You just play netball, touch, going for a walk with the kids. At LA Plus, it's all about working hard, let nothing stop you from doing one chin-up to like 2. Walking 5K without stopping, making it fun at the same time, something different every day. If I had to turn up and do bench press every day, I'd get pretty bored and that's when you quit, so just change it up. That's what we're all about, having fun.
Oh, just take your top off, don't talk. I guess he's burning fat while he's talking, huh?
People who inspire me, I guess the other guys that do Mr. Fresh, they're getting active, helping other people and setting the example, so yeah, those kind of people motivate me, yeah. Hey, Pani.
Whoa. Yeah.
No, not you, Pani, the other Pani.
Oh. Wow, you didn't mention my name.
You're fantastic. Answering that letter, the amount of knowledge that you don't have is amazing.
Wow, it's incredible, isn't it?
What are you saying?
It's Scorpion. She's saying you're amazing. You're amazing.
Hey, Aunty Tala, don't forget to mention about the Facebook page. You're amazing, Auntie.
I am.
Really amazing.
See you again next week?
Yes,
Are you going to come back?
I'm going to be back next week.
Yay!
Okay, bye.